The run. Oh, shit.
Did you leave a time limit on again?
I accidentally spawned in.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's cool. Die. Oh, shoot. How come it won't let me spectate you then?
He
I killed myself. Wow! Wow, dude! How did he not get a hit marker? Jeez. Sorry to say it, but Corey should have had that kill for sure. Shit. He sat there and lit him up forever. Ooh. Very nice, very nice.
Wow! It's a domination!
Corey's on a rampage. He loves that hump, dude.
No doubt.
Beast with it.
It's his weapon of choice.
Whenever I try to use that thing, I just spray it everywhere. I know. So hard to be accurate with it. It jumps. Wow. But the tar's overrated. Oh, come on.
This is going a lot quicker than Jeff's match with him.
Oh, my. They're both whipping out the claymores. Ooh. I think if I was going one-on-one, I'd go heartbeat sensor. Oh. Wow. Rubbing it. Desecrated the body. Oh, my God.
Wow! Wow!
Wow! How embarrassing! Oh!
Ooh!
That's karma right there. I thought you took kill streaks off, Tim. No, I didn't. Wow! There's been more knights in this game than there is shooting.
No doubt.
Knife and for freaking death. The only shooting I've seen is like desecrating Corey's body. Uh-oh. Oh, snap. Look.
Shit.
Ow. man. Oh.
There it is.
Down.
10-8.
I got lucky. New rule for 1v1, gotta win by 2.
What is that?
Gotta win by 2.
Well,
Wow.
I already did, though.
Yeah, it was 8-10, dude.
Oh, it's all over. I knifed him. Good stuff.
No doubt.
That's him and Casey.
Oh my god.
Fucking dead.